Hello guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Abdel-Khafid speaking. In this video, I will show you how you can install robot framework in your on your machine. And first of all, we will start by installing our requirement dependencies as Python and Python3-pip. So let's go straight to the point. First of all, we'll do let's do an update of dependencies. Oh no, this is the one. apt gets apt gets updates. All right, so after the update of the system, let's now install Python by doing sudo apt-get python 3 and python 3-pip. All right. Okay, let's now check the version of the Python install. Let's see if all right, Python is well installed on the computer. So the next thing to do is to install robot framework. Okay, let's clear the console and pip install robot framework. Okay, robot framework is well installed, but there is one more step to do in order to check, in order to be able to launch it here. Okay, I think that we should add the installation path to the system path. Okay, into the system path, let's do this. All right, so robot framework is now correctly installed on our computer. The next step will be install a code editor and set up robot framework inside that code editor in order to be able to write real fast our tests. So this will be the topic of the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.